Hello everyone, this is Maltika. I am studying third standard and was Shishant Niketan English Medium School, Gondar. Today I am telling about plant products. Plants very plants, plants are very useful to us. These are all plants products. We get oxygen from plants, and also we get fruits and vegetables. We get medicines from plants. We get rubber gum from plants. We get paper wood from plants. We we get spices from plants. We get pulses from plants. We get tea, sugar from plants. We get cotton from plants. Thank you everyone.